and urge all members to vote it down tonight. Thank you.
Members, order now. Members, this debate is concluded. The question is that the motion be agreed to. Those of that opinion will say aye. To the contrary, no. The ayes have it. Party votes called for. Ask the clerk to conduct a party vote.
New Zealand National.
58 votes in favour.
New Zealand Labour.
Turu te kaumātahi e whakahea.
Green Party.
14 votes abstain.
New Zealand First.
12 votes opposed.
Māori Party.
2 votes in favour.
Act New Zealand.
1 vote in favour.
United Future.
1 vote in favour.
Members, the ayes are 62, the noes are 43, and there are 14 abstentions. The motion is agreed to.
Point England Development Enabling Bill, third reading.
Call on Government Order of the Day number 4.
Land Transfer Bill, third reading.
The Honourable Mark Mitchell.
I move that the